Okay.
Now, I want to share my opinion on working abroad or locally. So I choose locally. Why I choose locally? Because I want to be dekat dengan keluarga. Apa Miss?
Close with.
Oh, I want to be close with my family and my and my special person. And I think in locally I want to menjaga apa Miss? Can.
Safe.
I want to serve my family, and I think and in the next time I will go.
Say goodbye. Say goodbye.